Yo, I finally got my first order after like 25 minutes. This is gonna be a stacked order. Sherry's and Gravity Coffee, $10, going less than 2 miles. Really good. I highly doubt either of them are gonna be ready for me, but still pretty good. Yeah, we're not doing that. It's taking way too long. I got an order for Victor Rico's. I believe it said like $10 going about 5 miles. And immediately after accepting that, I got an add-on for Seize the Bagel. I think it said $7 going an additional like 2 miles. So let's go do that instead. Yep. Thank you. Well, looks like the second order unassigned itself, so that's cool. Today is definitely not going to be my day, is it? Oh, of course this one had to be a meet at door too. Why wouldn't it be? Hello.
Thank you.
You have a good day.
You too.
Yeah, I've delivered to them before. I remember this was months and months ago. It was on video too. It was a Jack in the Box on a rainy morning. I remember they came outside to meet me. I'm sure you could find it if you really wanted to. Don't know why I remember these things, but there you go. Damn, today is slow. Just got my next order. This one's gonna be for Voodoo Donut, $8 and some change, going about 4.5 miles.
Every day.
Got my next order. This one's gonna be for Starbucks, $8 going 5 miles. Quick question. So the last initial on this is different. Do you have another Janessa that you're making, or is this it?
Impossible breakfast sandwich,
Yes.
strawberry lemonade. Yeah, this is correct.
Okay.
Just put the wrong initial.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Thank
you for checking.
Got my next order lined up right after this. It's gonna be for a different Starbucks, $7.75 going less than 3 miles. Hello.
Thank you.
Have a good day. All right, next order up. We got a shop and deliver for alcohol. This one is not the greatest at all, but I feel like I can't be too picky today. It's gonna be $12.75 going 7.5 miles, 5 items. Oh boy, all caps. It's very easy to get lost. Please follow my directions. Please go. Okay. I think I've been here before. Hopefully it's the same place that I'm thinking of. Otherwise, I might be in trouble. Bro, what do you want? They keep messaging me. Like, first of all, I'm driving. You see me driving. Second of all, shut up. I know exactly where this one is going too, just based off of them being annoying.
You can help me upstairs with that?
Yeah, no problem.
Please. Okay. Just run up the stairs. To the left. Number 204. Set it down.
You got your ID with you?
Yeah, it's right here in my hand.
And then just scribble on that line for me. Next order up, we've got a Nectar juice bar. This one's gonna be $10 going 6 miles. Yes, please.
Have a nice day.
You as well. Well, that's a lot longer than it probably should have. I feel like I was pretty far away from the restaurant, so I don't think they started my order until I got there. And even then, I was like the last one to get their order. Kind of annoying. Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for alcohol, $11.75 going 5.5 miles, 3 items. Well, I didn't check the address initially, but I kind of figured this was going to this place just based off of the items that I was picking up. See you in a few minutes when I have to scale 3 staircases. Hello. It is always upstairs. Okay, I think it's safe to say we are done for today. Current time is 11:17. Current total, or I guess total, is 77. Not the greatest at all. But, yeah. Yep, that's all there is to it. Not the greatest. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.